This is a small company to watch in US, American battery technology company, Abat. Lately, BlackRock has been investing money in this company. We all know BlackRock. They are heavy index funds. They don't invest money where they don't see future. So for BlackRock to put their penny inside this company, they have seen a direction. So do your research, look at Abat, and I believe that on technical, Abat stock is about to rise from $2 to $20, hopefully before the close of this year. Abat could do that. On weekly time frame, I have seen price fall flat to a demand floor, a reaction zone in 2020, and there is a breakout from a descending trend line pattern indicating upswing. And that was why you see BlackRock have come in and they have bought more shares. They are aware, the BlackRock trading team are aware that Abat is about to rise. And with the current Made in America agenda and support from EXIM Bank, Abat could see their stock rise from 2.2 to close to about $20. After all, it fell from in 2021 from $74 to 25 cents. It fell down to 2. So that's a nice opportunity. If you are missing Abat, except you don't have money and you are not aware. But I'm telling you, I'm going long on Abat. I'm going long on Abat, whether you like it or not. I'm going heavily long on Abat. The coast has been cleared. The buy potentials have been cleared. The buy parameters are cleared. I'm very confident that American battery technology company could see more liquidity. And for BlackRock to have invested in this company, you don't need to doubt it. You don't need to doubt it. You cannot, when it comes to money management, you cannot know money management more than BlackRock. Yes, you cannot know money management more than them.